In this video, we will show you how to replace a broken Venturi fitting. Here is an old CBV. We used to make them with plastic fittings that over time can become brittle and break. Since then, we have upgraded to stainless steel fittings. To replace the old or broken plastic Venturi, simply use a wrench to unscrew it. You can see here we have different sized Venturis to choose from. These vary based on mainline sizes. The slanted entry and exit ports on the bottom of the Venturis should be centered inside the pipe. Here are the three sizes we sell with their appropriate mainline sizes. I'm going to use this small since I have a 1-inch mainline connection. Use 2 wraps of Teflon for sealant, and make sure to only wrap the threading. You do not want to block the exit port on the bottom. Notice the side with the slant has a notch on the hex nut. This shows you which way it's facing. Both slants should be facing away from the ball valve. When you use the wrench to screw in the new Venturi, it's important to make sure the notch is facing straight. If the plastic fitting has snapped after the hex nut, you need to use an EZ-out to remove the old Venturi. Then proceed to replace it with a new stainless steel fitting.